Hey there, nature enthusiasts! Before we dive into today's whirlwind adventure, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon, and smash that like button if you're ready to meet one of the most fascinating flying insects you've probably never noticed in your garden. Today, we're talking about the hummingbird hawk moth, a tiny, speedy, nectar-sipping marvel that often fools even the sharpest eyes. With its incredible hovering skills and vibrant patterns, it looks like someone mashed together a hummingbird and a moth. And honestly, nature nailed it. Get ready for 10 fun and surprising facts that will make you see your garden in a whole new light. Number 1. It looks just like a hummingbird. First of all, let's clear up the obvious. Yes, the hummingbird hawk moth really does look like a miniature hummingbird, with rapid wing beats, hovering flight, and a long proboscis that dips into flowers. This moth is nature's master of disguise. Gardeners often do a double take, thinking they're seeing a hummingbird zoom by, only to realize it's a moth. And honestly, can you blame them? This moth is basically a furry little helicopter with attitude. Number 2. It can hover like a pro. Hummingbird hawk moths can hover mid-air for minutes at a time, sipping nectar from flowers. Unlike most moths that flit from branch to branch, this one suspends itself perfectly, almost like it's defying gravity. Hovering isn't just cool, it's a skill honed for efficiency. These moths need to sip as much nectar as possible because they burn energy faster than your coffee machine heats water. Number 3. They're super fast flyers. Speaking of energy, these moths aren't just hovering experts, they're speed demons. They can zip around up to 30 miles per hour or 50 kilometers per hour. That's faster than some garden cats chasing a butterfly. Their speed, agility, and precision make them nearly impossible for predators to catch. Basically, they're the ninja of the moth world. Number 4. They have incredible vision. Hummingbird hawk moths don't just fly fast, they see in amazing detail, especially ultraviolet patterns on flowers. Humans might see a plain flower, but the moth sees nectar guides, patterns that lead them straight to the sugary treasure. It's like having a GPS implanted in your eyes, but for pollen. Number 5. They can migrate long distances. Some species of hummingbird hawk moths are known to migrate hundreds of miles. Yes, these tiny creatures are not just hanging around your garden. They're traveling adventurers, crossing countries in search of the best blooms. It's kind of inspiring, isn't it? A moth on a mission, reminding us that sometimes life is all about chasing the nectar you love. Number 6. They're mimics and masters of survival. Hummingbird hawk moths don't just look like hummingbirds, they act like them too. This mimicry helps them avoid predators, as birds might hesitate to attack something that looks like one of their own. They're not just cute, they're smart survivalists. Nature made them clever and adorable, a deadly combination. Number 7. They're nocturnal, but can be seen in daylight. Unlike most moths which prefer the dark, hummingbird hawk moths are crepuscular. They're active during the day and twilight. This means if you're in your garden at noon or early evening, there's a good chance you'll catch them zipping from flower to flower, working like tiny green machines of nectar collection. Number 8. They love gardens. Hummingbird hawk moths adore gardens full of nectar-rich flowers. Plants like honeysuckle, lavender, and phlox are their favorites. They play a key role in pollination, helping flowers reproduce while sipping the sweet nectar. It's a mutually beneficial relationship. The flowers get fertilized, and the moth gets a delicious snack. Number 9. Short life, intense work. Adult hummingbird hawk moths live for only about 2 to 3 weeks, but during that time, they work tirelessly to feed and reproduce. They might be small, but they pack a lot of life in a short span, buzzing around like little green rocket ships with one purpose: survival and love. It's a reminder that even tiny creatures can live big, vibrant lives, and that speed, dedication, and joy aren't measured by size. Number 10. They inspire wonder. Finally, hummingbird hawk moths remind us of the magic of the natural world. They blur the lines between bird and insect, day and night, speed and grace. Seeing one in action is like witnessing a tiny miracle in motion. Whether it's their hovering, zipping, or flower-dipping antics, these moths show us that beauty and function can coexist in the tiniest packages. Hummingbird hawk moths are more than just moths. They're tiny acrobats, masters of disguise, and pollinating superheroes. Their unique combination of speed, grace, and intelligence makes them one of the most fascinating insects on the planet. If you enjoy discovering these 10 fun and surprising facts, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon to never miss another nature adventure, and comment below. Have you ever seen a hummingbird hawk moth in your garden? What did you think when you realized it wasn't a hummingbird? Until next time, keep your eyes open for these amazing creatures. Appreciate the small wonders around you. And remember, even the tiniest things can bring the biggest joy.